Alrighty guys, have you seen the company search? So company search is different than local. So local search uses Google Maps as its starting point. So it's very geographic. Pin drop, find people in a specific area. The company search, however, is much broader. So think of it like this. Local search, if I was looking for Starbucks, it would find every single Starbucks in that location as the branches of Starbucks. Whereas if I look for Starbucks in the company search, I'm going to find the head office. So it's a different style of search where Google Maps businesses are local. The company search is using businesses that are typically listed on LinkedIn. White Label Suite is a great example. So White Label Suite doesn't have a Google My Business location, but it does have a business location on LinkedIn. So you'll find us there. So there's different ways to use the platform. So using the company search, you'll find that the description field is probably your best to start from. So by the time you watch this, it may be up the top. We're just rearranging that. But the description field allows you to pop this in, and then you can use the industry and everything else as a filter here. So I might say, for example, if I'm looking for, let's use Starbucks as our example. So if I look for Starbucks, and I pop that in here, and I have to choose a location. So I'm going to choose in the continental US as an example. So, okay, great. Let's come in and find all of the Starbucks listings. And I've got a couple of different filters here that I can use, but let's just go for a search right now. So now we're going to find the Seattle version of Starbucks right here. There we go. And we're able to dive in and get the details behind that particular location. So we can find, for example, plumbers, you'd be better off using the local search, but you can still find plumbers here, or plumbing, something like that. So I can say plumbers as an example, but then I might say, do you know what? I'm looking for plumbing manufacturers rather than just plumbers themselves. So I can come in here and say, okay, I really want plumbing, but I need to go into the industry, and I say, I'm looking for manufacturing. So I can start to type that. Let's get our plumbing manufacturing systems here. So now I've got manufacturing as a filter and plumbing as the overall. And as we click to go, we'll be able to find lots more there. So we still got the Starbucks ones at the top, but now we're starting to find particular companies that show up with plumbing, but they're also manufacturing companies. So the company search, as we come back here, company search is a much broader search than our targeted geography using the local search. Looking for head offices, looking for bigger brands, looking for a different way of filtering. So in a company search, you're going to be able to find those keywords, be able to filter by revenue, being able to look at specific industries and make sure that you're bringing in the right results there. So our company search available, of course, in our White Label Suite program, and using just 1 credit per search, returning all of the great results that you still get in local search, but at a much broader level and with a different focus on how you're able to find those companies. So company search live in White Label Suite right now. And of course, what that means is live in your versions that you're out there selling to your clients as well.